I looked around. Everyone was in groups of 2 or more. Dismayed by what I saw, I scanned the room again, like a vulture searching for dinner. Anyone single here? Not that I could see. Wow. I guess I'm by myself then. A glimpse of my childhood bubbled up like acid, frightened, heavy with self-pity. I waddled toward a vacant table, dragging my luggage. Too tired to cry anymore, I took a sip of my cold beer and started unfolding my map. I clearly planned out today, but as I started at the lines and the landmarks, the black ink blurred, merging into one indistinguishable mess. Yeah, I don't know. I muttered to myself, clearly, I know what I'm doing tonight. 2 more gulps of beer. I don't even like beer. I glanced around the room again. I don't know anyone. I felt so scared, drenched in anxiety. I looked back down at my map. Then out of nowhere, a man's voice appeared. Is this seat taken? I looked up, dumbfounded, surprised, and confused all at the same time. I said, go ahead. He smiled. I just got in from a tour. Let me grab a beer. I'll be right back. He came back, removed his hat, and placed it gently on the table. What's your name? He asked. My name is Iris. That's a beautiful name. He reached out his hand with a warm smile. My name is Charlie. He gave me his hand. Very nice to meet you. I was struck by how handsome he was. He has luscious brown hair and piercing brown eyes. His voice was deep, with the perfect hint of a British accent. So soothing, it felt like a lullaby. He leaned back, sipping his beer, and began telling me about his tour. Then he asked, what are your plans for tonight? I admitted, I just landed. I don't know anyone here. Honestly, I don't know what to do. He leaned in with a warm smile. You're in luck. How so? Tonight is my last night here. I've made a lot of friends and we're all going out to watch the fireworks. Come along. I sat there, dumbfounded. My mind questioned every motive, but somehow I said, okay, with hesitation. What a magical night it turned out to be. It was as if it had been written in the stars. A stranger shouted, "Are you ready?" All 9 of us yelled back, "Ready! 1, 2, 3. Everyone say cheese." Another guy laughed, "To the Avengers." That night, we became the Avengers. Happy New Year's Eve with the Avengers. I recently named my meditation frog after you. I do hope our paths cross again someday. And I know when they do, we'll pick up right where we left off, talking endlessly about traveling. But this time, it will be different. The shy, scared woman you met back then, she is now bold, confident, and oh, do I have stories for you. Next round is on me. You name the place, and I'll be there with my smile. I am one step away from the land of crown jewels. My heart is forever grateful for your kindness. Because of you, a fire was lit inside of me to continue my journey, less fearful, more alive. All because of you. That evening, I saw many sides of you. The soft side, the nurturing side, the struggling side, and even glimpse of darkness. To Charlie, may you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. And so it is.